follow orders blindly.
Ano blind?
Objection, Your Honor. Argumentative.
Your Honor, there is basis to the question.
It's argumentative, Your Honor.
Naging SDO ka,
Counsel, it is
naging SDO
argumentative.
ka kasi sinusunod mo lang lahat ng utos sa'yo. For example, ng Vice President.
Same objection, Your Honor.
I reform.
We will allow it, Counsel. We will allow it, Counsel. Kindly answer, sa pananaw niyo po ba yan ang dahilan kung bakit kayo ang hinirang ng SDO nung Davao at ng OBP?
Hindi ko alam, Your Honor.
Hindi mo rin alam.
Hindi mo masabi na dahil sinusunod mo lahat ng inuutos sa'yo?
Hindi ko alam, Your Honor. Basta ako, ginagawa ko lang, Your Honor, ang akong pagiging SDO, Your Honor.
Now, let me continue, Your Honor, please. Please proceed. Madam Witness, sinabi mo kanina, yung pagre-report ko naman, that was in coordination with the security officer. In coming up with the report in coordination with the security officer. Di ba naalala mo yung tanong at sagot na yan kanina during cross-examination by the defense? Alala niyo po ba?
Opo.
Ba't hindi po ba sinabi niyo rin? Ako yung nagtatanong when I was asking you. Sinabi naman ni Colonel Lachica na huwag nang magtanong kasi nga paano ini-implement kasi confidential yung mga ginagawa niya. Di ba nasabi niyo yan when I was asking you questions?
I-verify ko po, Your Honor.
Okay, we will go into that. Do you want me to repeat the question? Kanina sinabi mo, you came up with the report in coordination with the security officer. Kay Colonel Lachica, sasabihin niya, Ma'am Gina, huwag mong itatanong yan kasi nga, confidential. Pero, you still submitted certifications na tama yung pinagkamitan ni Colonel Lachica ng confidential activities.
Based po
Answer,
sa...
Your Honor.
Witness, may answer. Kindly answer the question, Ma'am Gina. Based sa?
Nag-base ko din po yun sa mga documents, Your Honor, na binigay sa akin ni Colonel Lachica. After po, matapos po ang pag-implement ng confidential funds, Your Honor.
Mga documents na sinabi nyo rin kanina, klaro-klaro, crystal clear, na wala kayong personal knowledge or personal na nalalaman. Hindi po ba?
As an answer, Your
Your
Honor.
Honor, this is another topic.
On redirect, no? Witness, may answer.
Ano po, sir?
Wala po kayong personal knowledge dun sa mga intelligence confidential activities na ginawa ni Lachica. Binasa nyo lang sa dokumentong binigay niya.
Yes, Your Honor. Pag-verify na ko sa iya, ibig sabihin mag-verify yung pagpangutanan ako sa iya, Your Honor.
Okay.
Let me continue. Now, sinabi nyo kanina na wala namang requirement na may alam sa confidential activities, walang training. Pero hindi po ba, ma'am, na requirement sa SDO yung pagkakaroon ng common sense?
Anong ibig sabihin, Your Honor?
Okay, napakaklaro ng tanong ko. Ma'am, I will repeat the question. Sinabi nyo, wala namang requirement na may alam sa confidential activities, walang special training sa confidential activities. Pero hindi po ba, bilang SDO, at least naman lang ma'am, required na yung SDO na pinipili ng isang Vice President, may common sense.
May utak po ako, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now, kanina, sinabi din ng Defense Council na yung certification that you identified apat, may format naman. May format naman yung joint circular, hindi po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
And then, sinabi ng Defense, hindi kayo allow to modify yung content ng format na iyan. Hindi po ba?
Objection, Your Honor.
I remember you saying that.
What's the objection, Counsel?
Your Honor, the question is misleading because the question is pertaining to the certification, the template of the certification, Your Honor.
Exactly. If I may respond through the presiding officer.
I remember that too. You mentioned it pertaining to the certification that it cannot be modified in any way. And you referred to Annex B, if I remember correctly.
Yes, Your Honor.
Witness, may answer.
Wala po,
So sinabi kanina na since may format yung certification, hindi po pwedeng i-modify ng Office of the Vice President yung format na yan. Hindi po ba?
Opo.
Opo. Pero ma'am, hindi.
Ang haba ng usapan, si Sara Duterte daw ay nagustuhan ng binlis of 125 million pesos po. Yan po ang ilang hinahanapan ng resibo, kaya wala daw receipt. Pero what about SADA, ang present administration na lubo ang confidential fund? In 2026 ay 4.56 billion po yearly. In 2022, 4.50 billion po. Samantala, ang dating Presidente Duterte ay 2.3 billion po a year ang confidential funds. Lumubo ang kay Bongbong Marcos Jr. sa daming pera ng what we call Pilipinas. Dahil napakalaki, 4.5 billion in 2022, kay Duterte 2.3 billion po. Ganyan po. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye. Ingat and peace.